Flow solutions have been going for some 15 years now. Our businesses are primarily telecommunications, so phone lines and phone calls, and we're specialists in delivering rural broadband. We serve a huge variety of customers. These typically include burglar alarm companies, travel agencies, obviously schools and farming community. In terms of choosing RADWIN solutions, we were looking for a radio supplier that had very high capacity throughput. Two things in particular stood out for us. Number one was the support that they could offer us going forward. Number two, and possibly even more importantly, was their honesty of specification. Our systems are deployed usually in rural areas. We're in villages that are poorly served with internet. We use RADWIN's two key systems, which are their point-to-point radio for getting bandwidth from 2 points, as the name suggests, but also their point-to-multipoint. In terms of volumes, we're well established with RADWIN. We've got hundreds of units deployed, and through 2015 we'll start to moving into the thousands of units deployed in the field. The benefits really are varied, but the key one clearly is financial. When building a rural broadband network, the key cost that every provider has to come up against is the cost of the backhaul internet, the fibre optic feed. Using RADWIN enables us to get that very expensive component and spread it over a very large area so that the cost is spread. We get a very rapid return on investment, and we are then able to grow our business very, very quickly. The key feature is very much about what throughput we can get and be able to give guaranteed levels of service to specific customers and really get very, very good bandwidth utilisation. The build quality is just fantastic. It's military grade in our opinion, and once it's deployed, the maintenance costs are very, very low. What we particularly like about RADWIN is they're very approachable and contactable. The support levels are second to none in our experience. In terms of comparing RADWIN to other companies, the honesty of what their equipment would do is really important to us. Fundamentally, Flow are a bunch of engineers. We like to know exactly how things work. What we don't like are when radio manufacturers tell us that their equipment is based on proprietary software and can't explain exactly how it will work. RADWIN have no problems with explaining exactly how their system works so that we don't come across unexpected surprises. And that's important for us so that when we build the network, we know exactly what it will do and when it will reach capacity so that we can plan upgrades in a sensible and professional manner. That's not always true with other manufacturers.